Hi there again. So, what I'm discussing in my own mind these days with myself is this paradigm shift, and that's how I see it on some kind of a quantum level. It's just the wave harmonic function that I'm sensing on that kind of intuitive level. And I know putting it in words sounds stupid, doesn't it? But I don't know how else to talk to you about this, okay? But I sense those configurants of harmonic waves now, and it just feels like that's what's happening on all levels. And you can use any mythology or any way language you want, and you'll see the same thing. You'll see it's any perspective. That's how you can tell when something actually is true. By the way, when all the different, even the weird perspective intelligence start agreeing on a basic formation, you know, it's a telltale. Keep that in mind. And that's the other idea here. How do you know what's the truth? I mean, things are getting pretty strange out there. You haven't noticed, It's like, When does cognitive dissonance, extreme cases of that, turn into just outright insanity? I mean, what's the difference at that point? Where's the basis of reality? So that would be the point of all of these talks with myself, is to establish a base of reality within my own biological, psychological model I'm presenting here, trying to understand that, watching that. And that goes for all of us. Where is that point of where you make contact with your own self? You have to presume there's a certain innocence here. That's when I have a grandchild and I watch it. It's amazing, and we just connect. So, wow, But that's true for all of us, and that innocence, we have to somehow reconnect with that. Doesn't mean stupid. Doesn't mean non-educated. It just means the innocence within that's observing all of this and going, well, that's a sure strange trip we've been involved in here. That perspective. So keep that in mind. Paradigm change is happening. Everything's changing. Economics, everything. Do what the only secret here is from the heart, where it's always been. Do what makes you happy. Become that personification of happiness and joy and health. And if you're not, ask yourself why. Why not? What am I doing? And then try to formulate pathways to what happiness and joy and health. Remember that innocence? I do. I see it. So that's the start of this conversation with myself.